Sawadee krap. Good morning, everybody. Must be a day that ends in a Y, because I'm off to the gym. We're going nice and early today. Hopefully we get there right when it opens and there's no one there and I can give you guys a bit of a tour. So let's get this show on the road. Shrimp cart. Let's see. Chicken. This is probably the most popular one. These guys right here. This is where I buy my green mango from sometimes. Oh, berries and watermelons. Fruit stalls. Nice and cheap. Inexpensive. Sorry, Jay. Sweets. Quick pit stop at 7-Eleven. Okay, breakfast of champions. When I used to work out in Australia, I used to take pre-workout. I don't know, probably crutch, probably doesn't do anything, but the only caffeine I ever drink is pre-workout. I don't drink coffee, I don't drink tea. If I drink Coke, it's got booze in it. So I throw one of these back before the gym, feel good. That's about it. The tank. Treadmills. Ellipticals. Barbell weights. As far as you can see, abs, but benches, Smith machines, squat racks, more free weights than you'll ever need. Tons of benches, barbells. Got a squat rack on this side. There's a squat rack over there as well. Tons of cable machines. These rows, pull downs. Cable crossovers. Bunch of chest machines over here, shoulders, biceps, flies, more chest, shoulders, flies, squat, leg press, assisted dips, lower back, leg retractions, leg press, leg extensions. It's got everything, man. I don't know how anyone cannot be happy with this gym. Pretty cup. Change rooms and bathrooms. Men's and women's. They got fans going. I know on Google some people have said it gets too hot. I love it, and I love getting a good sweat on. We got huge industrial fans that they'll turn on at some point in time. Stationary bikes. Big stretching area. More free weights up here. Absolutely. Give you an overview. I love this place. Okay, time for a workout.
A few moments later.
Cup. And that's it, folks. Another gym session done. Stop at 7-Eleven, pick up some protein, and head to the pool. Post-workout protein. Nice and cheap. I really like the tank gym. I like the mix of machines and old school metal weights. The only small thing is, and it's no fault of the staff or the owners of the gym, it's the gym etiquette of the people using the gym. And I will say 99% of them are farang. They don't put their weights away. They don't take into consideration anyone else that's in the gym. I think it's almost tourist mentality where they think the world revolves around them. I don't know. But yeah, like you can see in this video, there's weights on almost every machine. And they'll pick up weights off the rack and they'll do curls right in front of the rack. Yeah, I don't know. Gym etiquette out the window here. Not a bad way to start the day. And I got the pool to myself. No plans for the rest of the day. Let's see where it takes us. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, click subscribe because I got no idea what the next video is going to be about.
Okay.
One job.
Okay.
One job.